Welcome back to another video, guys. So I have got a mystery box. So this is obviously from Varnail. I believe this is Varnail's January box. Oh my gosh, can you believe we're on to January already? So let's get it open and see what we got. I do love these boxes, not gonna lie, they are my favourite. So like I always do, I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek and then slide it off to the side. Oh wow, right, let's go. So straight away we've got a calendar. Brilliant. I actually haven't got one yet, so that's perfect. And it looks like it's one of them that stands up. It is. Oh, look at this, and it's pink. So let's have a nosy. Right, so it's got all the little ones there. Oh, this is cool, right. 1 minute. Hang on 1 minute. Oh, this is brilliant. So it's kind of half a year one. Starts from September, just gone. So obviously we don't need September, October and November. So we've even got December. I can start using it now. And then it goes into January next year. And it takes us all the way up to this end of the year, December. Oh, brilliant. What? Oh, so it's got that there. And then it's got the even smaller one on the back for other things. Oh, this is a cool one. I like it. And what have we got here? We've got little stickers, little arrows and flowers and dots. More stickers. Oh, these are cute. This is very nifty. I like it. Doesn't take up a lot of room either. It's quite narrow and small. I like that. So let's leave that there. So shall we start with stickers? Oh, these are nice. These are like silver, but they're chrome. Like really, really chromy. Oh, these have got little rhinestones as well. Can you see? Oh, these are pretty. They're very nice. Oh, look, reflective teddy bear stickers. Oh, let me just show you with the flash on. Look at these. Wow. They're so cute. We've got teeny tiny ones and then bigger ones up here. I love them. Right, then we've got, oh, fireworks. Perfect for New Year's Eve. I like the hollow effect. And then we've got moons and stars. I wonder if they glow in the dark. Let's have a look. Oh, wow, they glow. Oh, wow, they glow really well. They're good ones, aren't they? Oh, I love them. Brilliant. So during the day they would just be white like this. And at night they glow. They glow really well. I love them. Right, what are these? So these are teeny tiny little sponges. I'm not sure what they're for. I think they are literally to do little ombres and stuff, aren't they? Oh, look at all these. Yeah, I think they're to do little mini ombres. Loads of little diddy sponges. I like them. And then, guys, look at these. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Little fluffy nail charms. Look at the little bobbat. And mitts. Are they soft? No, they're solid but fluffy. I've never seen anything like that. Bobbats, mitts, and we've got little sockies. Oh, little love hearts. I love them. Never seen them before. Guys, as well, everything you can see is available to purchase separately as well. And things that you purchase separately, you can use my discount code. I've got a massive 25% discount code. Discount codes don't work on the boxes because they are already heavily discounted. But single items like these, for example, you can use my code on. Oh, I love them. Got to use them. Right, then we have got, ooh, we've got dollar signs. Very sparkly dollar signs. Look at these. Are they curved? Yeah, they're slightly curved. These are not huge either. They're quite small. I like them. Always fantastic quality from Varnail. Oh, brilliant. Look. 2024. These are quite small as well. This is my pinky. 2024 nail charms. That is good timing. Look how sparkly they are. That is perfect timing. Brilliant. Right, we've got, what are these little dragons? Oh, these are tiny. I've got dragons, but mine are huge. Look at the size of these on my pinky. They are tiny little dragons. I like them. Very cute. I can bring you in a little bit now, can't I? Then what else have we got? Oh, look. We've got little Mickey heads. Wow, they're sparkly. No, they're not Mickey heads. They're mini, aren't they? Because it's got the little bow. Little Minnie Mouse heads. They are beautiful. So sparkly. Wow. Oh, this is a good box. They always are. Varnail boxes are always fantastic. Oh, I have already got these. Oh, look. Look at the size of this little guy. He's teeny. And then we've got Mummy. Mummy and baby. Oh, we've got Mummy, Daddy, daughter, son. Oh, we've got a full family. Again, look how sparkling. They're all holding a little love heart. They're adorable, aren't they? Wow, love them. They've got some weight to them. And lastly, for the nail charmy bits, we have got... Oh, we've got more of them. So we've got silver with the transparent rhinestone. And we've got gold with the red rhinestone. Oh, wow. So that gives you a bit more choice, doesn't it? If you want to go silver or gold. Look at that red crystal. Stunning. Oh, I love them. Right, so this is for these little sponges. So yeah, there must be little ombre sponges. Oh, these are so cute. Let's get a red one. So this is a little grabber. You press it in at the top there. And it's got a little grabber look. So you would grab onto the little ombre sponge like that. And then dab it onto your nail. Oh, wow, you could do teeny little details with these. Love that. Brilliant. These grabbers are amazing, aren't they? I've never ever seen these tiny little sponges. Well cute. Right, then we've got, I think this is a rhinestone. Oh no, this is a magnet. This is a little magnet for cat eyes, so you can draw little shapes and stuff. So that makes me think there's a cat eye in here. So we've got, oh, I think this might be a cat eye pigment actually. I think this could be a cat eye pigment, I'm not sure. Oh wow, I think it is a pigment, you know. Super, super reflective and gold. Let me put my flash on. Oh, I'm not sure if it's reflective actually. I can't tell if that's reflective. Yeah, I think it is, isn't it? That could possibly be a cat eye. We'll have to try it. Oh my gosh, that is sparkly. Yeah. That is so sparkly. Right, then we've got... My gosh, these are heavy. These are really good quality ones. Oh, we have got the teeny tiny. I can tell by looking at them, they are the 0.4 mils. And then I think this is the 0.8 mil and the 1 mil. I use these. Not so much the 0.4 mils. I don't use them so often. But the 0.8 and the 1 mils, I get through so many of them. Yeah, these are heavy. Good quality ones they are. I can tell by the weight. Right, everything else now is gel. Oh, we've got some liners. Royal purple and juicy pink. I don't have these ones. We've got cat eyes. We've got more solid gels. Right, let me get cleared up and we'll see what we got. Right, so we've got 4 of their solid gels. We'll just quickly do them first. So this first one is 09 Almond Latte. I do like these. They're so easy to open. Oh, this looks like a nice nude. I like the look of this. These apply beautifully. They just spread forever, don't they? That's a very nice nude. I like that. Right, then we've got number 37, Ruby Red. What's this one? Number 132 Hollow Crystal. Very nice. You could use that on its own or as a topper. That's very holographic. Strong hollow. I like it. Right, and lastly for the solid gels, we have got number 107 Twilight. That's different. Yeah, you can't really see on camera what I can see. It's really pretty. That would look nice over a pale green or a pale blue if you wanted to add a shimmer or a sparkle to it. It's really nice. I like that. Right, and next we've got one of their regular gel polishes. So this is 005 In Love. Oh, this looks nice. So this looks like it's kind of maybe a little bit sheer. Oh, this is a pretty colour. Oh, that's a really pretty colour, isn't it? Tiny, tiny bit sheer. I love that. That's very pretty. Right, then we have got one of their cat eyes. So this is Rainbow Cat Eye. CR08 Dazzle Brown. Right, so it's holographic. Look at this. So I am just going to do it over a clear swatch stick. They do probably look better over a black. But I'm going to stick it over a clear. Right, shall we try that new magnet? So these are supposedly just... I would have probably been better doing this over a black so you can see it a bit better, but you're supposed to be able to just draw with it, aren't you? Yeah, I should have done this over a black because you can't really see it. But it is working. I just don't know what you're supposed to do with it. Right, let me put this over a black, guys. I've seen people doing little tiny flowers and stuff with cat eyes, and I think this might be for when you're doing just little tiny little detail. So let's see what it... I don't know what to do with it. It does work. I am just not sure what to do with it. But yeah, I suppose if you're doing little flowers and you just want the tiny little corner of it magnetised, then yeah, this would be ideal for that, I suppose. So for my reference, I like all my cat eyes just to be up on the surface like this, so I can see exactly what it is. So I'm just going to cure it like that. Super holographic. I bumped it there, but I'm not bothered. I'm going to cure it. Right, and lastly we've got a couple of liner gels. So this is nice. My two favourite colours, pink and purple. So I'm not going to do anything fancy with these today, guys. I'm just gonna do... We'll just do a little swirl like this. Very nice. My two favourite colours on a stick. Very opaque and creamy and pigmented. Exactly what you need a liner gel to be, isn't it? Really opaque. Very nice. So shall we have a quick recap on these colours first? Right, so these first four was the solid gels that we got. I really like that nude. I like this little shimmery one as well. Very nice. And then the two gel polishes. Love this little pink sheer one. Love that. And the cat eye. And then lastly, the two liner gels. Pink and purple. Very nice. So that's all the gels we got in the January box. So a quick recap of everything again that came in the box. Oh, I loved them. Them silver snowflake stickers. Very nice. Oh my gosh, guys, these. Got to do something with these. They're absolutely adorable, aren't they? Little fluffy nail charms. And then we got all these, the 2024 charms, the Minnie Mouse heads, the little dragons, little tiny family of bears and the dollar signs. We've got the pigment and the teeny tiny sponges. I love them. And the little sponge grabber thingy. Caviar beads. Oh, the calendar. And lastly, all the gels. I think that is everything that came in the January box, isn't it? And the little mini magnet. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Fantastic box as always from Varnail. Varnail boxes, they're just always a cut above the rest, aren't they? They really are. It's always full of stuff that I've never seen before. Don't forget, everything in these boxes is available to purchase separately, and you can use codes on individual items. Anyway, guys, yep, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.